Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. In this class, we are going to study steel ship repair practices and processes. We will look at repair planning, the common types of repair work, major conversion projects, subcoordinator involvement, testing requirements, and the general repair process flow. This topic will help you understand how shipyards restore ship to full operational readiness in the most timely and cost-effective manner. Repair planning, engineering and production. Ship repair begins with very careful repair planning, engineering and production coordination. The first step is to read and understand all contract specifications. Once the requirements are clear, the repair team must categorize the work, integrate the work into a logical production plan, and determine the critical path. Departments such as planning, engineering, materials, subcontracts, and repair production must work closely together to ensure the repair is completed in the most efficient way. In many cases, prefabrication of piping, ventilation, electrical systems, and other machinery is performed even before the ship arrives at the shipyard. Pre-outfitting and pre-packaging of repair units also requires cooperation with production shop to perform the work on time. Common types of repair work. Ship requires frequent maintenance just like any other machinery. Many shipyards have maintenance contracts with shipping companies or ship classes, which outline common and repetitive repair tasks. Some examples of maintenance and repair duties include ballasting and repainting the ship's hull, freeboard, superstructure, interior tanks, and work areas. Major machinery rebuilding and installations such as diesel engines, turbines, generators, and pump stations. System overhauls and installations, including flushing, testing, and repairing piping system. New system installations such as updated navigational system, combat system, communication system, or new piping system. Propeller and rudder repairs, modification and alignment. Creation of new machinery species which may involve cutting out existing steel structure and adding new walls, stiffeners, vertical support, and weaving. These types of repair keep the ship operational and extend its service life. Large repairs and conversion projects. Some repair jobs are much larger and are known as major repair or conversion projects. Examples include converting supply ships into hospital ships, cutting a ship in half and installing a new section to lengthen it, replacing major segments of ships that have run aground, such as replacing the bow, complete rip-out and structural reconfiguration, full outfitting of advanced combat system, major interior or exterior remodeling such as passenger cruise into cruise ship overhauls. These projects generally follow four major stages: removal of old structure or systems, building new structure, equipment installation, testing to ensure proper function. These large projects significantly change the ship's design or capability. Work performed by subcontractors. Subcontracts uh, play a major role in ship repair practices. Some common subcontractor tasks include general support of ship repair, boiler retubing and rebuilding, air compressor overhauls, tank cleaning, ballasting and painting, pump system overhauls, small structural fabrication, winch overhauls, main steam system modification, system fabrication such as piping, ventilation, foundation, and other support structures. Shipyards rely heavily on subcontractors for specialized tasks that require unique equipment or expertise. Testing requirements and system acceptance. In ship repair, all installed systems must be tested and fully operational before the ship can be returned to the owner. Testing requirements typically originate from the contract, but additional testing requirements may come from internal shipyard quality departments, vessel operation standards, government agencies, ship owners. Tests must be scheduled, tracked, and monitored thoroughly to ensure proper completion. Once a system has been successfully tested and approved, the area, compartment, or system is considered sold to the ship, meaning it is officially completed. General repair process flow. The overall repair process usually follows a clear sequence. The typical repair process flow is: estimate the job, plan and engineer the repair work, rip out old or damaged systems and structures, refitting of steel structures, repair production including fabrication, installation, ballasting, blasting, painting and equipment work, test and trials to confirm everything is fully functional, deliver the ship back to the owner. This workflow ensures the both simple and complex ship repairs are completed systematically and efficiently. In conclusion, still ship repair practices involve detailed planning, integration of engineering and production, execution of common repairs, management of large conversion projects, coordination with subcontractors, and strict testing before the final delivery. Understanding this process is essential for anyone involved in marine engineering, ship maintenance, or shipyard operations. Thank you for watching this lecture and listening to me. Thank you once again.